Oh my god. I can't. I'm so sorry. Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Joy, back with another video. Today's video is gonna be another unboxing video. I'm sorry y'all can hear my voice. I'm very sick and my throat is all donked up right now, so I sound like I smoke 20 packs of cigarettes every day. Today's gonna be another unboxing, and today I am unboxing the Fitbit Versa. Woo! Look at this. It is so cute. I love it so much. I'm so excited to open this. I got it yesterday. Yesterday was my birthday. I am 19 now. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I was trying to decide whether I wanted this or the Apple Watch, and I did my research, and I was looking for more of a fitness type watch. I want a device to capture all of my steps and calories and heart rate, water, all that good stuff. So I did my research and I saw that this was a good one, and I saw that one of the Apple Watches were good. So I kind of did a comparison, and the Apple Watch has its fitness. It has like fitness capabilities, but it's more smartwatch than fitness watch. So, and it's way more expensive. It's like $300 more in this. I got this instead, and it is really, really freaking cute. Look at it. Wait, actually, hold on. I need a thumbnail. Fitbit Versa. It comes with a little brochure thing, the charger cables, the large band and the small band. I need a small one. My wrists are, look, like these bracelets can't even fit on my wrist, so I need a small one. It works for Apple, Android, and Windows, but nobody has a Windows phone, so sorry Windows. Oh, sorry to anybody that has Windows phones. I just called y'all out. I apologize. I just love the color. Like pink is one of my favorite colors, but this is like such a cute and subtle pink. The color of it is peach, and it looked completely different on the picture online, but like I really like this color way more. Like online it kind of looked like more of a coral type color, like kind of orange, pinkish, but this is the exact pink that is perfect for me. Like I love it. It is so cute. It is so cute. Okay, here's the charging cord. My dad got me sick. He was sick first, and then he ended up transferring it to me, and now I'm sick, and it's really frustrating because I can't even go running properly without like passing out almost. But yeah, this is so cool. I didn't need to figure out how to set it up because it's not in English. Oh, okay, tap to start download. Okay, I need to download the app first. I'm gonna do it on my iPad since my phone is being used currently. Oh my god. I can't. I'm so sorry. Okay. They didn't even give me a little doohickey thing. That's kind of lame. That's lame. They should have gave me a little block. At least Apple gives you a block. Or do they give you a block? Is that what Apple does give you a block? Yes, I know, because I've had plenty of Apple devices. Okay. I wanted to get the AirPods, but them shits are too expensive, and I, for one, am not paying $200 for some earbuds that I'm gonna lose. So, Apple, you need to get your shit together and lower your prices a little bit, fam, because that's ridiculous. But sorry, I should be like showing y'all what's going on. Okay, here we go. Keep your Versa charging throughout the setup process. Place Versa into the charging cradle by pinching the bottom of the clip and aligning the gold contacts. So now we are waiting. And I can't even play with my phone because I'm using my phone to record this video. Or 8. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm so sorry. Every time I cough, I'm gonna apologize because it's fucking disgusting. Success! Your Versa is now connected to Hi Joe Kids, Hi Joe Wi-Fi. Thank you very much, Versa. I appreciate that. Check out the awesome things you can do. Okay, so let's see what this thing can do. Because if I'm gonna wait 30 minutes, I might as well make the time go back quicker. So first one is track your activity. So from your morning coffee run to your evening workout, Versa tracks your movements one step at a time. You can track stats over time in the Fitbit app about how many steps you take and what distance you travel, how many calories you burned, how many minutes you've been active, heart rate during rest and activity, and how well you slept the previous night. Alright, and now wear your watch your way. I can't wear it on my ankle, so. Oh, you can change the design. See, I was low-key, I'm glad that it showed me that because I was low-key kind of sad about that part. That's something that the Apple Watch does, is that you can customize the way that your watch looks on the top of it, like on the screen. Like you can like put a different type of clock or have like a background and have a picture. I don't know if it does that, but I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm glad that you can customize it a little bit. That's pretty cool. Get notifications at a glance. That's another thing that Apple Watch does too that I was afraid that this wasn't gonna do. It sends you like text messages, and when someone calls you, it alerts you. Like if your phone's in another room, it alerts you. Now I know that one thing that the Apple Watch does that this doesn't do is that you can answer your calls or you can reply to a text from your watch, but that's just, to me at least, that's a bit excessive. I usually have my phone with me at all times, like in a close vicinity, so it's not like, okay, I urgent ass text, let me answer it with my watch. Like, I'm not a fucking secret agent, like, I don't need to do that. But it does give you notifications, and I thought that was pretty cool. Because when I don't have my phone near me, and I have, like, things on my social media, like, some people follow me, or reply to something, or my mom texts me, my dad texts me, my dad calling me, I would like to see it, or feel it on my wrist, be like, oh, my dad's calling me, let me go call him, get my phone and answer the phone, because I be missing calls, I be missing text messages, and I don't be replying till like 3 hours later, and then people yell at me like, why didn't you answer my call? Or why didn't you answer my text? I texted you like 3 hours ago. I'm like, well, my phone was underneath my pillow and I was in the living room watching SpongeBob. My bad, I'm sorry. So, I like that too. So the thing that I'm noticing about this is that it's literally like the same, like the Apple Watch and this Versa is very, 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 very similar, it seems like. And it just seems like I like the apps that you can have certain apps on your watch and you can do a little bit more on, like a little bit more customization and a little bit more features on the Apple Watch, but for $300 more, I don't think that is that big of a deal, to be completely honest. Like, you're paying $600 so you can look at the news app on your wrist. So, like, but to each his own. Like, people who have Apple Watches probably can afford to just be like, okay, I'm gonna get an Apple Watch. Like, but if you want something simple that does the same, like does what an Apple Watch can do for less, then the Versa will probably be the best bet for you. Like, and it's really good for fitness. If you're a really fit person, go to the gym every day, or you have kids and you walk with your kids every day, like, you know, on a stroller or whatnot, this is probably a good device for you. Like, you know, if you just want to stay active and be healthy and whatnot. Not saying that the Apple Watch can do that either, because the Apple Watch literally can do the exact same things too. So just whatever your price range is or whatever you're looking for in a watch. But I highly recommend this if you're maybe you want to go for something cheaper. And yeah, that's my TED Talk for the day. No, it's not really a TED Talk. It's just kind of a review, I guess. Optimize your workouts. First, it tracks your real-time stats during exercise so you can analyze your performance. Connected GPS. Exercise modes. Use exercise modes to see real-time stats on the display. That's pretty cool. Smart Track. Automatically record runs, walks, elliptical, and other workouts. That's pretty cool too. And swimming. Track duration, laps, and distance of your swim. So it's cool. It's waterproof or water resistant. This is pretty cool. I'm glad I got it. And it's cute. It is adorable. And it's durable too. See, if I would have got the Apple Watch, I'm just talking so much shit about the Apple Watch. I'm sorry to anybody that has an Apple Watch. Like, it is a good device. Trust me. It is a great device to have. You know, if you are willing to spend the money for it. But it's a nice device. But, what's it called? If I would have gotten the Apple Watch, I would have had to buy a screen protector and buy an extra case and buy another band. And it just would have been more expensive already. Like, I would have had to spend $400 plus another $30 just to get the accessories for it. And that's ridiculous, too. Because everybody knows Apple products are not the most durable products. Like, you drop an iPhone without a case on the ground and it's gone. Like, so yeah, I'm pretty stoked about that I didn't have to get like a ton of different things for it. So, and it's really like sleek looking. Like, I really thought it was gonna look cheap just because it's cheaper, but it actually is. I can't take it out of the thing, but it actually looks really nice for the price of it. Like, you know, it has like a clean look, kind of like a really nice metal finish on it. So it does it. You know, it just, you definitely are getting more for your buck, a bang for your buck. So I'm gonna come back when this is done, and we'll see how it works. Yes, I will be back. And a jiffy. It is now ready to be used. And then you could swipe this way to get all to your apps and everything like that. So obviously not as many apps as Apple Watch, but all the apps that I need. So yeah, let me put this bad boy on. I've been holding it like a damn imbecile. Looks nice on my wrist. New padding on my wrist. That's cute. Look at that. Oh, okay. Look at that. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, comment, all that good jazz. You guys already know the drill. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out, homies. Bye.